think, this particular conference is great because we managed to get, academia, we managed to get, the Cloud Security Alliance, we also managed to get ENISA, and also the private sector all here together to really start to discuss some of the issues associated with cloud computing, and in particular, security of cloud computing. When we consider the future cloud, it's not just going to be there to host our photos or our videos. The future cloud will be there to, keep our water clean. It will be there to keep the lights on as well. So actually having a forum to discuss some of those major issues and really some of the innovations required is absolutely imperative. So some of the challenges and issues associated with cloud computing, and in particular security. It's easy to turn around and say, well, security is the biggest barrier to cloud adoption. I know there's a number of studies which will assert that. But the reality is that cloud, in most cases and most providers, actually have higher levels of security because it's their business to do so. The issue, of course, is that you don't have the transparency. In other words, you can't go and audit them, you can't physically go and sort of walk around the data center as you could within your own environment. So some of the issues and challenges we face with cloud, and then specifically when we start looking at the future cloud, will be, when the cloud is keeping our water clean and when the cloud is keeping the lights on, how can we be rest assured that it is secure, that they have the right security controls in place? And so some of the innovations that I think we'll begin to see, and we've seen this with the CSA through the PLA, and we've seen this also with ENISA and some of the reports they've done, is starting to put the mechanisms and building blocks in place so you can have visibility and transparency about the level of security deployed. Well, I think the beauty of ENISA and the Cloud Security Alliance is all of the information and research is available. More importantly, it's an open door if you wish to get involved. But what I would add, and it's kind of selfish here, is myself, Jim Revis and Brian Honan are working on a new book called The Cloud Security Alliance Guide to Cloud Computing. So we're aiming for this to be published later this year, and really it will take all of the major research and initiatives that we've done within the CSA, but also work that we've done with ENISA, and really present it in a single format.